Me a karate expert. You teach woman to independent, not to depend. Woman to have them one things. Me no no money machine, she no have none.
So we link up with the boss, yeah? Peanut bread.
So, I didn't show you.
I'm a rating plus that.
Daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we give it to the Most High now for we daily living. Daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we give it to the Most High now for we daily living. Now life is not a bed of rose, no hungry mouth dead and fi fed. So in the street we there and juggle for we bread.
Trade, you know. And the man can giant up the bird, you know.
Yeah, the man turn on the blood clotting. Then, Virgin,
Hey.
the home where people grow up in have a lot to do with them, you know, my brethren, seeing?
Yeah,
With the parents, yes, sir.
yeah.
Because my father usually work a fowl farm, you hear my brethren?
See.
Yes, sir, he usually work a fowl farm and he may raise command fowl too, you see?
Yeah.
Good. And as per Sunday there, we fowl, you know,
On
right?
Sunday.
Good. So you find say now, if you're not really brought up amongst people where you watch them,
Yeah.
and in your youth days you learn more, you know.
Yeah, man.
Anything when you learn in your youth days, it ribbit a real blood clot way that not come out so easy, no master.
Yeah. Soaking it.
Yes, it fasten.
Fastening.
Yes, man, and ribbit to rascal. That's why I know people young days them forget teaching. Here.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's why you see, them can't change the youth them from what them teach them.
Yeah.
Cause remember separation then teach too.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so that them know about. So you now get them to unite.
Yeah, because the sufferation
Yes,
and,
a separation and teach them.
Yeah.
Understand?
And carry down on them sitting.
Yes, sir. Right, yeah, and how fi grudge. Yeah, grudgeful and bad mind to rascal. See? Yes, and thief too.
Yeah.
And lie.
So that they say fast near them.
Yeah, because man say we liar is a blood clot thief.
You're the one.
And if a thief is a liar, because when you catch him a lie, him a bumbo cartel. Right? If he may call innocent man got trouble and him are the culprit, right? If he meet him pussy clot judgment and him get up and make them judge another man. Oh my God. Rascal boy. I make another man and go some bumbo clot load. Some judgment, right?
I cry that. I cry that.
Yeah, so see then now you find say if you deal with the fowl now, you see
Yeah.
and anyone can really join them up and know if you go about it. You understand? If
Yeah.
in trouble.
You give him trouble.
Yeah, because I know the step them for make, you know. See?
Yeah.
So
But-
I hit that now. So
But
see
from some days you learn them
see
here.
there, you have to know for giant fowl.
Yeah.
If you don't know where giant them there, see, rascal, he cut him up.
Yeah.
Right? Because see there now the first cut on the wing.
On the wing that's up.
Yes, see there you have to know where giant there. You understand?
Yeah.
So if you try cut anywhere else when no giant there, rascal, see there. What here, you see it?
White.
Oh, we cut off
Yeah,
easy.
man.
You can't cut it which part, the bone part there. See the giant again. Giant again, that's why man we joke you with the knife to rascal, right? I know where weak spot there no boy, see it?
Giant.
Yes, giant, right. Man know when the nerve spot them there, see? And fuck you,
Yeah.
joke you and your cripple, right? I lick you with stick on your cripple and you know say I do them and say me bum buckler, then I just stick in lick you with. And you turn so.
But the man know this part.
But the man know this part.
Yeah,
Damn
man.
so boy. A trade man, a tick
Trade
man,
man.
you know if you tick your blood clot, right? Good. Giant again.
Giant again. So you say Sam used to work on fowl farm. I used to raise fowl.
And usually really he come and foul them, but he usually work at the white fowl farm them, right?
Oh.
Understand?
Yeah.
So when he bring them up, me watch them rascal, right?
Yeah.
And when me a suffer now, you know, master. We no fuck fi climb foul roof and go with plastic.
Yeah.
And at night the fucker then can't see so well.
So you say, strike at night.
Yeah, man.
Night time you strike.
Yeah, man, when you go up there and ras him in the head with the elastic in tumble by the roots to blood clot. And if him not dead, you see, he can't see if you run him and just a long out his neck to ras clot. And you just run down on him and grab you.
Yeah, and I didn't know that.
Oh, dear, man.
And that's operation there.
Right, because you can't turn up dead for you.
You can't turn up on dead for hungry.
Which man I go turn up in into one inside the corner and dead with blood clot hungry. That me I tell people, you know, say, nobody are not thief, right? Because the man in wants. And the things are there to help him. And then I want to give him. And if they make it look like if he go stand up down a corner with the hand in blood clot side and dead. Somebody are dead in a blood clot and I'm dead trying, you know. You may tell you. Well, I cut like a cut all in it, but I know boy.
Yeah, no giant, no dead so.
Yeah, man, giant dead man, you know, see me take coffee, but I
No,
just
but
patient.
a patient.
Yes, a patient. Alright, yes, after you reach us now.
Yeah.
After you take off the arm them, then you have to take off the leg before you take out the belly, you know.
I tie that.
Leg, man, leg. See, you see, I think no shot bomb black guy in the boy.
Yeah.
Good, this a piece of meat, you know.
Yeah.
Right here, man. Enough meat is to ras clot, you know. If me buy the pound fold, me couldn't get too much, because I want 2 minutes and me the boy for that fold.
You know, try. Took up the pot from this, so I go through water in that pot.
Man, you have to know, you have to have trade, man.
Yes, man. You know, take it, man. See it again.
Giant.
Giant, man, giant. Giant, man, giant. Understand? God, I can really pass. Slime, man. Slime, man, slime.
Slime. What that? What cause that?
And take out the pot off of fire.
I could not rascal, you know. I could not what if a substance or why not.
No kind of substance.
What do you mean, man? Nothing make me fall. Fat to rascal. You food fat, you know.
I know a lion don't eat grass, you know.
No, but
Lion not doing the grass business, you know.
you see right now, be a grass, me look for rabbit, them in a rascal.
Yeah.
Right, and me not see. The man, them making me and meat. I'm drink rum and smoke ganja. Yeah, I hardly sick, you know.
Hardly sick.
Most vegetarian man, you know, when them get complain and go doctor, I'll be tell them, say, boy, no, your body need a little meat, man.
You want some meat tonight?
Protein in a flesh for you, and you don't want to eat it. And I eat me, the engine a break down.
Engine now fire right. With the man.
That's why the rascal engine a break down, brother.
What you look for?
You know what I look for.
You know where you look for, you know, because the man well trained, you know. So, girl in there?
No man, I take out the crowd with the rascal feeding, understand?
Yeah.
See there? Boss, not it.
Boss in the man.
Boss.
Boss in the man.
Boss, the rascal, not it. See anything that fucked up, you know.
You cried it.
Yes, man.
Well trained, you know.
Alright, man. Look at that, yeah.
Find him. Yes, by right, you shouldn't feed him.
Sometimes you have to keep them, you know, feed them.
So we want to talk to you about the flat bridge thing in the fire. What do you know about that bridge? I be things about out of that place there. You know. All a week you gone, a man jump off a police car and drop in item. You don't know if you hear about that.
So what you mean, jump? The police can catch him for something?
Yeah, like them a transport him from one point to the next. And when he reach at the bridge, it's like him fly over. And I back everyone in there, you know. And end up in a river the headway. But him handcuff, you know. Him handcuff, but it look like him handcuff to a car tire with rim on it. And him and the tire fly over there.
Pass a piece of steel,
Yes, sir. So what is the history where you have on that bridge?
Last time I usually go at instead.
Yeah.
Big one woman go save cloth. And me always have to pass on that bridge, you know, right? But you find, say, you know, no for the place where the Spaniard them originate, right?
Yeah.
It's like, say, them a man can't rebuild nothing upon them because the man they have some technology where them did more smart I look like, you see?
Yeah.
Because if good bridge could have made at that place, you see? The amount of damage and amount of life when me here take a flat bridge, you see? Then try to see if them could
do something to it.
Yeah.
Make it bigger or something. More secure.
Yes, a scientist got it, right? And I try to rebuild it that it stop the killing and when them go there, there is no blood clot way. Yes. We no bridge can make this up because them say as car then took out the hill set. Right? Scientists go there and say that is the only way
it could have made.
A bridge could have made there. Because they try to remodel it as me at all, remodel, right? And they say nothing cannot be done. Right? We then call them the man them make building man then call
Engineer.
contractors.
Engineer them become
Engineer, yes.
Design
go there,
things.
yes, and go check it out if anything can happen there and then say, well, it's difficult. It have to remain that way. Right, well, me hear them a talk about mermaid sitting. Like mermaid live there.
Yeah.
Because the water, it don't look deep. And it just silent, that water went right there, so just sit down dead. Like in a run. Because just through like this, so it like a little hopping like. If you go where water go.
Yeah.
Cross clot. It build up the whole of the so before you can run where to go. You understand? So down in the deep. But when me say vehicle drop down the cross clot and sink in a sun and sit and then I sit again, me can't believe. You only hear me here. You see? But if that really happen, me don't know people will add on pan things, you know. You see when things happen, black people is a people add on pan things, you know.
Oh, they add on.
Yes, and make it sound more deadly like that something goes up.
Yeah.
That I not goes up because they lie then live by propaganda or fast rumor, you understand? Good. So me don't have to sit vehicle go down to that mama bumbo clot and sink down in a Santoras clot that they not find it.
Yeah.
Eh? All them that talk them here. And if that happen, scientists then must want to remodel it. And when them go there, they say, they not see no way of remodeling it. Right? Then the next thing, how the rascal they not make no barrier on the side. That's if vehicle go over there can lick on the rascal barrier, right? I just some little cement. Yeah.
Some little
the cement then take and make some little bump. Eh? Where you can run over it easy. And drop over there. Tell me. Then the corner to rascal where you have to take. You try not drink rum and pussy, Lord. Right? That's God Almighty. Right? Because most man will go over there, maybe a rum in no drinking woman. Right? And the rum says, see, you know. I'm going to fuck you yourself. Because the demon them did want blood. You see.
So they say I will go out there.
Then anyway you see one person down. In our for John another one for left master.
Also?
Yes sir. That's why most on the road here then call it haunted spot. Because when I want dead there.
My lurks.
Yes, in lurks there. And then was one other one rascal to get away. Run gone here. Understand so?
So you must drop one day for
yes, and so him drop one day now.
He slide up
him
from
did it again, right?
Yeah.
Him did it again and wait for fuck on that one. So then call it haunted spot. Anyway, you see one person dead on the road, watch it blood clot. Many more will dead there. Yes, sir, I saw me see go. See rascal piece of meat with them talk about now both breast. Right then say anytime you cook. Hold on this now in the man plate.
Yeah.
God, the man a yard, you know.
Yeah, man a yard.
I do yard this work. So then say you must get the best piece.
Yeah.
Yeah, picnic them can get second best. But then see the man brought this boy breast. Right, because him have to suck breast rascal for chunk. Right, yes. So a piece of meat then they chop it up, you know. And cook it same way. Yeah, big same way and sell. And this have $1,000 to blood clot. And I turn to rice. This is with the rice, eh?
Yeah.
And you see some people know to survive to get profit. Right, because this is full and on. When big to rice clot, if you don't mind shot them, they call 5,000 off of this blood clot.
For that alone?
Yes, man. Yes, man. So see there. You see it though?
Yeah.
At the giant, then me have follow.
You follow the giant?
Yes,
man.
Man
will train in a man. Yeah, Jack.
Yes, man. Follow the giant, man. And you see there. So, alright, see there. You see we start to go though.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you go on the bone, you fuck.
You have trouble.
You have
get
trouble. No cutlass, you have to go take chop it, man. You can't cut it up. Alright.
You cut off the oil tank?
Eh?
How you work with it?
The what?
The oil tank.
The oil tank?
Yeah.
No man, the oil tank.
You know,
no man.
you cut him off?
No man, it not be cut off.
So what you do with that, you know?
No man, what you say, man, this no problem. This is no problem, you know. Eh.
You know, all you put fat in that, man.
Yes, but it's no problem, no fat, man. And fat in I foul, man. Right?
So what you do with the head?
Eat now, go eat, man. Man.
Yes, man.
See something you have to go tight and then you
Okay.
I don't get spine that you go now.
Yes, man. You have to know that, man. Almost like that, you.
None shall escape. So the tribe them know with us.
No, me not do open yet.
So what you do with that?
Huh?
They do the tribe.
You know, the tribe no can clean, but me no have them no time, you know.
You have no time for that.
Me have enough meat here already.
Mm. So when you done, you wash him now with vinegar and everything then?
No, me can't wash it again.
Eh?
If you wash it again, you would have to know what all the other man that you wash it now that already.
Yeah.
If you wash this your meat again, you will have the bumbo clot juice no gone, man. What you mean, man? You can't. Me no cut in neck, you know. Me no cut in neck, see most blood in I meat because anyway blood leak out.
Yeah.
It trash you again because of the blood the body need, you know. So the blood the body needs going up your blood and send your blood. But you can't get up and wash the meat, man. And that's why me wash him before me cut him up. Understand? Yes.
Alright, liver and kidney and everything there.
Yes, man. See bumbo clot sitting here now.
You got a lot.
The bitter gall went terrible, you know.
Remember, I blow sitting there.
Yes. So, all of the food where you eat, the body is so sensitive. That's which part it itch.
Yeah.
You see where it itch, which part produce the blood, you know.
Yeah.
Right? That means I hit help purify the blood because the blood needs bitterness, you see.
Oh, the blood have to get bitterness.
Yeah, because worm will take you up.
Oh.
So see where I'm gone? Right
where the blood I make.
Clot.
What the blood make?
Yes, sir.
And feel time out.
Yes, I fi give him bitterness. You see what I mean? Oh, I blood that, man. I blood that, you know. See there? You see when me ring in neck, the blood no leak out. Understand?
Yeah.
But this now, you can't make it bust, you know.
The blue part there.
Right. If you make it bust to
the whole meat pile up.
You know. No, man, it now go pile up, but it be tight up.
Oh. So you have to know what you said with.
Yes. See there. Before tripe nice, you know.
Tripe nice.
Yes, man. This man, if you can clean it, man. Yeah, man, like how them clean goat tripe.
Yeah.
Yes.
But we don't normally follow them things.
No, we are with a foreign country, then we do them sitting there. You understand?
Yeah.
Cause see all this. You see how it bossy.
Yeah, it bossy.
Yo, what do you, man? It don't look like me if you dash it to a rascal. Because it's funny to you know. But it look like I tripe to rascal. I eat it now. I saw you long, man. Eh?
The man.
Watch your
fool, the man fool up, you know.
Watch your sir.
Fool, the man fool up, you know.
Eh? I know me I see what going on here.
You push a stick through that and like the goat tripe and clean it.
Right, that's why you know. That's why the man kill people to rascal and go in at them. If you see how you know your makeup, man, you can't make me see tripe and I know I saw it make up. See there? See there?
Man, long, you know.
Would you not see what now? I'm going to show you what I'm going to know. It looks like one hope you're so good or good enough.
So some them when some them are eat it, then dash them part there.
Yes, man. Then me now watch the man. Me now watch the man. See there. See there now. See there now. To rascal. Watch your natty.
What tripe, man?
Watch your natty. Watch how the tripe long to mama rascal. My brethren, man. 'Cause, 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 Watch out now.
You fold up again, say the way.
Yes, man, what? This now. Let me see something now. Let me see something.
Things in there.
Yes, man.
So for clean out.
Glad. Go to place now, like it. Glad. I hit carry the food in the blood clot crab. Yes, why, me say, why nature not easy, you know? Me say the nature attach up the ras clot into the crab and attach it up to the heart
And to everywhere.
and attach it up everywhere.
Make the man function properly.
Yes, because it you know. That tube that ras clot, look how long and foul up to ras clot and it still I carry food in this incinerator. It a carry food in this blood clot, you watch out.
See there?
You see?
See more there?
I ain't the food guard, man. The one that one there, so.
What that now? That are the gizzard?
Yes, man. But this when you have wolf and calf.
Wolf and calf.
Yes.
That you use?
Yes. This you use a patch it and take it make tea first.
So this I process I know. I also go process the food. Process it.
Right, see there?
Process the whole I can, you know.
Carry the bumbo clot food going on this my brethren.
And process it.
See there?
What you man?
Watch out, sir. Upon the amount of food that will lead to the rat clot
The tripe.
the tube, eh?
What the dirt, stone.
Yes, toad and anything in yam the rat clot in yam the gravel fail grind the food, you understand?
The gravel.
In yam the sun.
Yeah.
Fail grind the food, cause when this a turn, you see?
Yeah.
And the gravel in there.
You crush it.
Yeah, help crush the food, fine.
Watch your man. I grinder that, so I grinder.
Yeah, you know, sister, fall not true.
Yeah.
Fall not true. They not eat. Them pick up and swallow.
And I mean reach just now, I have to eat
I
that.
in here so to rascal, you sitting there a ton of ras, you know, man. Right?
I grinder this.
Yes.
The scientist man.
Thing a turn to rascal.
Scientists know about things, you know, man.
Yeah, man, you say. And then we grab to rascal, he'll crush it.
Yeah.
Alright, see, you sitting here and what they say. And medicine.
So medicine.
So you mustn't dash it away.
The yellow part there.
None at all. Yes, man, see me and man.
So we say we call it wolf and calf?
Yes, man. When you have wolf and calf, man, see?
One of them bad calf there.
Yes, man, it's a duck disease, you know.
Hmm?
It's a disease, and there's only this.
That piece of yellow sitting there.
Yes, man. I feed medication, you understand?
Yeah.
So then, so when you kill fowl, you mustn't dash with this. You must put it down.
Yeah.
Yes. Because it is important and it's hard to get.
Hard forget.
Yes. Because maybe the people them kill fowl.
Nah, give up.
They don't know about it.
They don't know about it.
No. And then dash it away.
And I best part then dash it.
The bumbo clap, me say carry a piece of meat, you see.
Mm-hmm.
Only beef.
Yeah.
Pretty so.
Jeez and peas, man.
That piece of meat where you see it come out of.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Sweet up.
You fuck. Yeah, man.
Watch your man.
Lord.
Bossy man.
boy.
Yeah. So at that
medicine.
at that time medicine,
Yeah,
the off
man,
calf there.
dry it, man. Yeah, man.
And boil it.
Dry it, man. Yeah, man. What you know? What a pretty piece of meat. Jesus. I mean, say best piece of meat out of whole life, old master. Look there.
Yeah.
Eh?
Jeez,
Sweet.
Sweet.
You fuck. Fuck. Alright, no.
And you that now.
Yes, man.
Everything else can dash it.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
You hear that, people? See it there? Medicine that for the wolf and calf, you know, I wait one here.
Yes, man. Yes, so flatbread now, my brother, you see?
Yeah.
All known people are go over there, eh?
Yeah, man.
Say, man, jump up over there.
In a week here, look like him a go have a jail, him a carry him going in this side, say. He nah go no jail, you know.
No, but look, you know what I say? Bumbo rascal. Me have a hunker rat and then catch him with ganja, right? I don't figure a coat. Right? And river come down and I see him where the man to blood clot which himself in the river. So he not got no coat.
Yeah.
I make the river take him and go down him.
What a man like that, man.
You know, remember I say we go a penance.
Yeah.
Up at the viaduct.
Yeah, man, we go.
And when man I tell you, say, man not tell you, say,
man jump off
the woman to rascal.
Get trouble.
I give him trouble and rare.
Yeah.
So me I tell you how some people stay and the man go up there and go jump off a viaduct and then to rascal and make them abandon it. Right? Because they say they don't want another one go up there go jump again. When you look at only 2 bomb clot, hell of a concrete shit with tied up in the air, that viaduct can run. Me say natty. And you see how them tall up there. But I say, me sorry when me see all time sitting where they with no the younger one them don't know about, you right? Right, so when you about junior, senior, blood clot senior, yeah, junior can't walk in a senior footstep because when him know, him don't know, he just don't know. And when you tell him all that time, him don't know what you say. He might go figure out, him then have to go see it and face it blood clot. Right? But to be frank, it's not anybody I do there sitting there.
Yeah.
Right? Because see when then get started over this one started jump out of the blood clot van and gallop out the handcuff, right? I didn't catch him and he must pay for the handcuff. Right? So some man really purposely kill himself, right? Yeah. We show you some not doing it, him I go taking judgment, you know. Yeah. Because some man mad in a prison too. And some man boy been take it for him home because he knows saying go commit himself and he have to go bear him bumbo clock judgment, you know. You understand? We show you some man him plan it. He may commit judgment and him plan say well then sit there go face him. And the fucking nerve. Alright, so stop again then.
Now the time has come to leave work and go in. From Oxford Road I took a car to Papine. Now me smile with my pillow and a big piece of foam and give thanks to the Christ now for that safe journey home. Then after that me grab a little snack after me done bathe. A slice of bread with little butter with a glass of lemonade. Lad inna me shorts and marina pending a straight mesh. Lie down inna me bed and fan a blow me feel fresh. Now one snap of a finger, you know me drop asleep. But when you leave a garrison you cannot sleep too deep. So me hear a little stumbling where the rubbish band keep. Cause so boom shift the curtain and just boss a one beat. Now there's a pastor on the radio who a preach God's word. Too much minutes after 4 it was about 23rd. In front my door a strange sound is what I heard. And in my home and out my door me see this big blackbird. Me say you one thing me know for sure, I've never seen a blackbird like this before. Oh yeah. Me say you one thing me know for sure, I've never seen a blackbird like this before. Nigeria. So now I know I see every bird them carry a specific mark. So him open up him wings towards me grill him start walk. So me see say it's not a creature and it's not a parrot. Catch me by surprise now when the birds start talk. I know fairy tale thing and I know a diggle. Him same come from in the desert, from the tribe of the eagle. In a one snare him get tangled, flat up on the ground and broke him beak, and from that the mouth shape like a triangle. This blackbird is very scary, more aggressive more than the pitchery. Me keep me distance and me try no go near him. Clad him sharp and then he we touch your skin it a go tear. This blackbird is like a dragon from the mount fire sparks. About this blackbird is pure bad remarks. Tell you about the desert, well no question I have to ask. Now talk about no shoes, this blackbird is not a clock. Me say you one thing we know for sure, I've never seen a blackbird like this before. Oh la, yeah. Me say you one thing me know for sure, I've never seen a blackbird like this before. Nigeria. Now when me look, me see the blackbird that sat up on the wall with a wingspan way over 6 feet. That mean a bird that him no small. Me I wonder if a Peter or if a Paul, and then me hear him go so and make a sound like him a ball. Then him say Elijah is just a link me come forgive. Me never really come here so fi make no mischief. Me love the way you conscious and love how you positive. And you're the first man who looking at my face and still a live. You say you one thing me know for sure, I've never seen a blackbird like this you want ya before. Oh Lord, yeah. And then now one thing we know for sure, we up in the sky when the eagles start flying, spreading wings and start soar. Oh Lord, yes, it's just a light again.